Hello everyone, my name is Carl Vincha. I'm the founder of the SaaS RealtorHub.tech. This is a SaaS I'm working on that allows realtors to keep up with the status of, status of contacts that they add and how they are doing with the nurturing and lead up process. So right now this is not done. This is not done. This is currently using data that is, I'm working on finishing this part here. I'm hoping to actually complete the contact import process before people start using it, but it is currently working for signing up and logging in and logging out. You can see here, you can log out from here, log in there like that. So these are not data points that are actually being held anywhere. It's just static HTML. As I said, this is a bootstrap, and I'm going to be walking through some of these different screens here. So these buttons here, they're not working yet, but eventually you will be able to see the contacts that you have added to your dashboard, your RealtorHub dashboard, and you'll be using that to track the status of if they have opened an email or if they responded to an email. I'm still working on finalizing all the features that will be created, but because I'm bootstrapped, it will be an iterative process. You can see here, this will be the screen where you can drag and drop your contact list. I will also have a screen where you can manually import the data as well. And here you can see free plan, the plan that you're on is a free plan, the date that the member was created, how many contacts you've used, and here are some fields that you can fill in. You can delete your account. You can upgrade the plans. Pricing is not finalized. I have to do research and see what the market is thinking about, but basically the plan is, well, that's what I'm working on figuring out. So this is a very early version of RealtorHub, and everything is very fluid at the moment. I am looking for feedback on what I'm showing you. You'll be able to export, and like I said, I'll have a page here for you to be able to create a contact manually, and you'll be able to upgrade your plan and pay for it with a recurring payment. The plan, or the goal of the vision of RealtorHub, is a realtor. Say you are having an open house and you have 5 or 6 people come in, or maybe you have contacts that you've collected over the years, or months, or days, or weeks, and you want to import them. Then once you import them, you can set a frequency of emails that you want to send to those contacts, and you'll be able to track. Well, so you'll be able to set the frequency, and there will be certain templates that you can set. It'll be kind of automated where you can have a placeholder for the contact name, etc. And then I will eventually want to have some sort of a follow-up sequencing So it's kind of like a um, marketing platform, except you will automate the lead follow up, and the idea is eventually one of your emails might catch the contact at the right time, and they'll say, "Oh, I'm interested in viewing this house that you have recently put on the market." Um, or maybe there's some sort of other email that you created, like "Contact me, I'm a realtor, contact me to list your house or if you want to buy a house." And maybe when you first met the person, they weren't very serious, but now after receiving an automated email, after several months have gone by, they'll say, "Oh, now is the time I want to buy," or "Now I want to sell." And you happen to be the person who popped in my inbox. Now I will respond to your email. And then the idea is that the system will detect that they opened the email and they responded to you. It'll capture that response, and you can go from there to hopefully buying or selling a house or helping that person buy a house. And as a realtor, you get commission if they buy a house with your help. So the value here is that the platform will help you to kind of, quotes and quotes, set and forget what you would put, what automation workflow, or I'm not sure what I'm trying to say. It's a schedule of emails of every month or so that you sent to a person. So the idea is that you will gain a lot of value for a lot less than what you will be paying to use RealtorHub. And I'll be rolling out features as time and money allows. I would like to eventually expand into SMS tracking, so maybe you can automate a text or you can receive a text from a person, and you can again nurture that lead from there and capture that value by using RealtorHub. So if you did listen to this video, and if you have any ideas or feedback, I'd love to hear. I'm going to be uploading to YouTube. I'll post this on LinkedIn as well. I'm not sure if there's any other places, but please, if you have feedback on pain points or pricing that you think you would like to pay for something like this, then please do let me know.